Now that we have just very few days to your JAMB exam, as at the time I'm making this video, we just have few days to your exam. I need you to pay attention to what I will say, just a secret I'm about to drop for you, so that you won't come back to me with had I known, you won't come back with tears, right? Just a few days. If you have been following this channel, I want to believe that you have been reading and studying, right? Now pay attention. At this point where the exam is just few days, I mean we just have about less than a month as at the time I'm making this video. You need to start tidying up your preparation, right? You need to start tidying up your preparation. And the secret, the very, very important secret I'm giving you is the secret of revision. Some of us will keep reading and going. Some of us just keep reading, covering new topics, reading new topics. But remember that the essence of reading a topic is not just to cover many topics. The essence of preparing, reading those topics I've always given you and advise you to read is not just for you to read. It is for you to study and memorize. Now, few days to the exam, your work should not be only accumulating the reading of newer topics. No. At this point, your work should be revising those ones you have read. Because some of you come and say your problem is that you read and you forget immediately. So what is now the essence of you read many? We have few days of reading many topics. Maybe you have covered over 60 topics across all your 4 subjects, and you cannot point to 15 of them and say, I can still recall, I can still remember what I read. I can still remember the formulas, the calculations for the science student. I can still remember those key concepts. Now, if I were you, these are my suggestions. Take time now, get your book and begin to revise. By revision, I mean a greater chunk of your time right now should be focused on what? Should be focused on revising what you have read. Some of you started reading 6 months ago, 12 months ago, 3 months ago, 2 months ago, right? Those things you have read in your reading schedule. I often advise all of you that are members of our YouTube channel to allot 6 hours in a day, 6 hours in a day, 2 hours in the morning, 2 hours in the afternoon, 2 hours in the night, at least 6 hours of study every day. Allot this time. Among the 6 hours, you can dedicate 2 hours or 3 hours or even just 4 hours to revision. Then the other 2 hours could be for reading up new topics, right? The area, what could help you, the things you could use in your revision, number one is past questions. I've emphasized past questions. I've emphasized past questions several times in this channel. I've talked about the need of past questions, how past questions will help you. And I've also said, if you don't have past questions, and you need me to give you, I can give you past questions free of charge. If you need past questions, just be a member of our YouTube channel. Once you become a member, I can give you the past questions on your 4 subjects, both use of English and the other 3 subjects, free for all the members of our channel. Okay? Now, in that past question, as you are reading the past question, locate those topics that you have handled. Those topics, find out the questions in them. They are this is a game changer and is very, very, very important. Okay, so read with your past questions. Begin now, become more serious with the past questions. The next advice I will give you is to try to actively recall what you have read. Those things you read 2 weeks ago, sit down and ask yourself, can I recall this calculation formula? Can I recall this definition? There are certain definition, full meaning of some concepts, formula for solving. Just actively try to recall, and when you recall, you write it down. If you cannot recall, you quickly rush to your textbook and see if you can remember, right? Another secret is, feel free to discuss what you read with others. This secret you are learning, discuss it with other people. And remember I said, study with your past question. If you need past question, become a member only for the members of our channel. Become a full member of our channel and we could give you access to it, right? I've also done a lot of videos on past questions and the answers across all the 4 subjects. If you need me to give you the link to all the videos we've done on past question in your subject, just tell me that, sir, please give me access to all the videos you have done on so and so subject. It could be yours. So your past question, embrace your past question now. Actively record the things you have read. Discuss with your colleague. If you have a study partner, if you have your sibling, just discuss the things, the concept, teach other people. Then finally, pay attention to those formulas for solving, those full meanings, those definitions of concept, and most importantly, ensure that you dedicate at least 50% of your study time right now to active revision. To be a full member of our channel, just join our YouTube channel. It is only those that join our YouTube channel that are members. Click on join right now and join our YouTube channel. Then also share this video, like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you do these things, come under the comment of this video. If you want to be a member, tell me you want to be a member. If you share this video, come under and tell me I've shared this video. Then I can send you all the materials that will help you.